How to create stylish name on Facebook. So if you want to create stylish name on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your Google or your browser. Once you open up your Google, you need to search for general stylish names, and you need to just go with a website, any website that you're comfortable with. And here you need to scroll down and enter your text or your name. Once you've entered, now you can just simply go and copy any text that you are comfortable with. Once you've copied the text, you will have the copy on the right side, right? Once you've copied the text, now you can just open up your Facebook, go with the top right, which has that three bar, and tap on settings, go with account center, tap on personal details, or just go with your profiles. Under profile, tap on your profile and then tap on name, and here you will have your name, right? You can just remove the name and then paste the name that you've just copied, and after that go with review change, which is on the bottom, and your name will be changed. That's how you can change Facebook name font style. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.